Hello, my name is Avery Sanchez, and I am daughter of the owner of the ranch here in Starshine. I don't have a horse yet. My father won't buy me one. But today he held an auction, and I just went over to see all the horses. There was a nice dappled gray English thoroughbred. She had amazing spots all over her. There was a gray Andalusian. I didn't really want it. And there was a black Frisian, a Pentaabian, an Arabian, and what else? Oh, there was a American quarter horse, just a black one. And I looked at the English thoroughbred, and people saw her name was Rain. I liked the name a lot. I looked at the horse, and I looked at my dad. When he was calling her out, I didn't hesitate, but wanted to raise my hand or something just to get the horse. He nodded, thinking that he was thinking what I was thinking. So I went over to him and grabbed a halter from him. People were shocked of how I just got this horse for free, but it doesn't really matter. I went inside the pasture and just petted the mare. I hope we were best friends. I started to lead her back into a stall. I know that I have a lot of horses, and it's really weird for me just to get another horse, and I understand that, but it was just something about this horse that was making me, I don't know, just thinking I needed it. She is a very nice horse. She was used for jumping for many years, and I think that is a very good thing, because that means she's probably highly trained, but hasn't been ridden for a long time. But that's okay, because I can fix that. I can set up her jumps and everything, and we can get her started. I brought her out of the stall, and I started to check her up. I liked the color red on her. It really suited her. She snorted and I smiled. She was really easy to ride. I got into the circle pasture where the auction was held. It was already ended by then. I just walked around the paddock and stuff with her. She was really easy, as I said. But she was a racehorse for like a year or two. But she did jumping for a lot and was highly trained. My dad didn't even know that. The white strip down her marking down her face is really nice. I like that it was pink at the end. There's us cantering and trotting all around. I thought this horse would be really easy to ride. And then got out of the paddock and then went to the arena. I galloped a bit somehow, but I forgot the most important thing. My hat. It was weird how Elusitano was out, but and Illusion. It was weird, but I hoped it would calm down. I tried my dad's race. It wasn't really hard for her. I mean, she is a jumping horse, so I didn't hesitate for most of the part, I guess. She was dodging obstacles all around. Slowing down at points, slowing back up, or slowing back up, going back up, you know. It was surprising how she didn't miss any of the jumps. She was very fast and enthusiastic. She did really good. Then I walked her out of the arena just to cool off. Still, my dad was on his mare, but I didn't really care. There was a lot of horses being sold today. I didn't understand why. To Lusitanos, to Mawaris. It was really interesting. I then decided to try and help Mary. I help Mary a lot because she's my sister. She often loses animals across the property. It was weird, but sometimes they get loose. And then found a cow and started to make it follow me, I guess. And it was a stubborn one. It wouldn't really move the way I wanted it. But I tried to make it work. So far, Rain was doing really well. I might have think that this was my favorite horse. Well, except for Raven. Raven is a good horse too. I then finally got the cow back to Mary. It was a stubborn one. Wanted to eat all the hay. Didn't want to follow me. When I finished, I put Rain back in the stall. And I think that would be it for today, because it was a lot. Well, I think that would be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I really like how Rain turned out. She was pretty nice. She just doesn't like flies. But I hope to all see everyone in the next video. Bye!